ASX 200 is up strongly this morning, up almost 1% in early trade. It's had a pretty tough week. It did close at a record high on Monday afternoon, and since then it's fallen about 3%. And that's due to markets around the world falling this whole week. The thing that's really been giving investors the jitters is inflation rising in the United States, because when inflation rises, central banks need to raise their interest rates. So investors in America were concerned about rising interest rates could harm the economic global recovery. So they sold off their stocks in the States, but overnight they seem to have rebounded. The markets are back. Everything seems to be going back to normal. Tech stocks this week have had a pretty rough go, and Afterpay and Zip are both down pretty sharply over the course of this week, and they could see some recovery today in their prices. But looking at Afterpay in particular, over the last 2 weeks, it's down about 30%, and Zip, its competitor, is down 16%. So our tech sector's had a pretty tough time. It could bounce back a bit today.
Yeah, Bitcoin's had a pretty tough time as well. Certainly not good for the... well, it's a bit of a roller coaster, let's say. Now, Bitcoin price plunged overnight. It's come back a bit, but this is all down to a statement from Elon Musk.
He's got about 54 million followers on Twitter, and they all take very close notice of what he says. About 24 hours ago, he posted saying that Tesla, the company that he's the chief executive of, would not be accepting Bitcoin anymore in exchange for its electric vehicles. So that caused the Bitcoin price to instantly drop about 15% at one point. It has recovered a bit. It's still down about 10% from what it was. It's currently buying about 49,000 US dollars, buys you one Bitcoin at the moment. But Musk said his concerns were around the amount of electricity required to create a Bitcoin. So Bitcoin mining uses a lot of electricity. It's basically computers doing highly complicated mathematical equations to create a new block on the blockchain, and that creates you a new Bitcoin. So Musk said he was concerned about fossil fuels, particularly coal-fired power, creating electricity which was being used by Bitcoin mining computers. So he's obviously running this huge electric car business, and he sort of sees maybe a bit of an issue there with promoting coal-fired power. So he did clarify his comments. He did say, look, I do support cryptocurrencies. I just don't support fossil fuel power generation.
Oh, okay, a little bit confusing there, a bit lost in his own morals, I might say. Ed, so he's not supporting Bitcoin, but has he said what other cryptos he would accept for a Tesla?
Well, he didn't say that, but he did also tweet saying he's working with Doge. And Dogecoin is this other strange cryptocurrency, and it has been very volatile, and Musk has talked a bit about it over the last couple of years. And after he released that tweet, which was about 2 hours ago, Dogecoin has gone from 38 cents a coin up to about 48 cents a coin. So it's suddenly spiked in value off the back of one little tweet again from Elon Musk.
Yeah, it's a wild ride in the cryptocurrency world. Ed, thanks so much.